how to set input settings on Envision monitor. And okay guys, here in your Envision monitor, on the back of this, you can see the joystick. Okay, you can push to the right to see these settings. And okay guys, here in settings, go to extra. Okay, push the joystick down and select extra. Here in extra, okay, push the joystick to the right and go to input select. Okay, and the input settings is set into HDMI. To set or change, okay, push the joystick to the right and you can see the option. So you can set into VGA or HDMI. Okay, to select this, you can push up or down the joystick. And okay guys, I decide to set the input settings into HDMI. Okay, to select, press the joystick to the right to select. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the input settings on Envision monitor. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.